Time for another Nokia C3. And this poor guy's condition, you can see it for yourself. You can barely understand the screen. Okay. And no, this isn't dirt, this is just this body shell has like a lacquer over it, over the paint. And this is how it looks now. So, let's begin. Ooh, the dent it has up here, well, crack more. There's no need for me to be gentle with it since, well, this is not a body shell that I'm going to keep. If you want to nicely take it out, you can just use one of these plastic things. Generally push it like this at a 45 degrees angle. See what I mean? There we go. Ugh. It had some clamps here, something like this, you can see it. This is a display. I just realized what a small camera. It's so small, that's what she said. Has a little clamp here, there we go. Try careful with the speaker to not damage it. There we go. One piece. Too much dirt! The 3.5mm jack. And the charging port. There we have it. And this is pretty much empty. There are not too many parts in this phone. It's an easy phone to disassemble, so no problems there. These are all the internals. I'll get to clean them and be right back. Man, there's always something to clean on this. But here's what I'm not cleaning, my attitude. Ha! I should have put these parts first, but I wanted to finish with the front so I can get to the back. Yeah, boy. Ta-da! There we go, comes right off. Great. I don't have a seal for this, for the camera, but it is what it is. There we go. Well, this is kind of horrible, but better than nothing. Well, something like this, mainly to keep the camera dark, you know. Okay. I don't have white buttons, unfortunately, so I'll use this elegant one. Okay, looking pretty good. Nice. Well, this is how nice it is to have a clean screen. $268. Not bad. Camera works just as smooth. Well, this is the refurbished video of the Nokia C3. Hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, it helps me a lot, and the table is dirty, dang it. And I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself. All the best. Bye bye.